How to fix speaker problem in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sound and haptics. Now scroll down in last and click on headphone safety. And if you turn on reduce loud audio, then turn it off. After turning this button off, then go back and click on accessibility. Now scroll down and in hearing section you can see the option audio and visual. Now click on audio and visual, and here you can see the option mono audio. If you turn off your mono audio, then turn it on. After turning on your mono audio, then open background sounds, and here turn on your background sound. After that, go back to your home screen and make sure your phone is not in silent mode. If your phone is in silent mode, then turn it off silent mode. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.